Hello everyone, welcome to another Monday.com tutorial. Now in this tutorial, I will show you how to duplicate automations in Monday.com. This is very simple to do, guys. Now as you can see, I created one automation right here. And as you can see, I can turn it off and on. And I can also go here and I can basically duplicate the automation. As you can see, to save this duplicated automation, click on Create Automation. So here, I'll need to create automation, and then I will have two different automations. As you can see, I can turn them on, right, and off. And if I want to delete one, I can just go and delete automation here. I can delete it permanently. So if I want to add a new automation, I can do a new automation when status changes to something. Let's go to anything, then change status to done. Create automation. Here, once we have this automation, and let's just delete this one right here, we can actually go and we can duplicate this automation. And again, we just need to create automation again, and this will duplicate it. You can also add a new automation that is pretty much the same automation. So this will be also duplicated automation as well. That's pretty much it, right? It's very simple, and that will be basically it for how to duplicate your automation in Monday.com. Now, if you have any questions or comments about it, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.